The MetaQuest 3's standard head strap is a functional design that offers basic comfort for users. However, upgrading to a premium head strap like the KIWI design K4 makes a huge difference, as it can enhance comfort and stability, especially during long VR sessions. Here's how to remove the original head strap and replace it with the KIWI design K4. Hold the headset firmly with one hand. Use your other hand to gently push on the tab of the side strap away from the slots where they are secured. Apply steady pressure until they pop out. The original head strap is now fully removed. Undo the Velcro strap located at the top of the headset. Slide it out of the loop to fully disconnect the top strap. Now, align the connectors of the KIWI K4 with the side slots on the MetaQuest 3. Press the connectors firmly into the slots until you hear a click, indicating they are securely attached. Slide the top strap through the loop on the headset's top. Place the headset on your head and adjust the rear cradle to cup the back of your head comfortably. Use the adjustment dial on the rear of the KIWI K4 to tighten or loosen the fit. All done. Now you can enjoy your VR adventures without any discomfort. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.